Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia as she explains that the attacks that she's been having, even though she's been having those attacks, she still looks like she's rich, even though she's poor. So she's letting all her haters know that she's still shining no matter what blows they throw at her. So just check out the video. Thank you.
I tell you. Look at my breasts them. Look at the breasts them stand up nice. And I don't even have on a brassiere. I tell you. I tell you. Look at me. Look at it. Bam. How what am I talk about? How what am I talk about? Una better rewind and come again. So all the plot will not come up with. Look how I look like a rich bitch. I tell you, I'm poor and I look motherfucking rich. Look I look. I look like Diana Ross. Look I tell you. You see, I mean, anytime I walk down the road, it turns. Me's a one hot piece of 49 years old. Some people they age. I mean, look at my skin. It's so smooth and nice. Look at that. Look at my nice dimple. My nice dimple. I tell you. I tell you. I tell you. Look at me. Look at me. For them see a man around me down. They come up here to get over it. You motherfuckers get over it. You people don't have no secret for me. Even if me did borrow money out there and do whatever. Everybody borrow. And everybody lend. Me lend and I borrow. Yes, we borrow all the time. We borrow from bank. We borrow from family. We borrow from close friend. And we pay them back and we do what we have to do. We act because we trust people and we do all of that. All of us borrow. We borrow from loan people all the time. You understand? We borrow from credit card. What you think you do when you borrow from credit card? What you think? When you go on and you go on and let me card and borrow from credit card and you pay monthly, how what you do? You know, if you sign one contract, too much interest and whatever interest, we borrow all the time. That's what it is. So what not come with? What not come with? What is it? Only not have nothing to say about that girl Marcia. The queen of entertainment. Get it over. Get over it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as I said before, it is very difficult sometimes to ignore these situations. They plot against me, but I'm going to try my utmost best. As everybody call me and say, Marcia, no answer them. Because you know, say if me no shit them no name. So then come over here if you get content to put on them page, so then can pay them bills. You understand? So when you come, if me borrow, no problem. It will pay back. It will pay back in due time. I know you will pay it back. And if me dep on SSI, me work in America. From me 17-year-old, me I work here. So if me forget SSI, because me 65, so me can collect Social Security. DSS, how what that is? How what that stand for? Disability. Yes, so if me collect disability, fine. And if me collect food stamp, fine. It is agriculture with all the company come together in America to give the people them to come together. So me work and pay taxes. Me not work off the books. I work and I pay taxes. So if I get food stamp, me deserve it because I work is my tax money. When me a pay. Oh dear, who know if you go out? I don't know if I want to work. I don't know if you go push round and get money and me not get food stamp. So if I am getting it, me supposed to get it. Even if me I get welfare, as you say, then I me pay taxes and me forget the welfare, not on someone now work. So if you don't want, if me want to get welfare, me get welfare. And if me have money out there for people, and me borrow money from people, the people will get the money in a due time. You understand? And the bank will get the money. Credit card will get the money. So what is it? If you know some me borrow money, come pay that blood clot for me. That's all you have to do. Come and pay that money. Me have some loan out there right now. I have a loan out there right now. I have a $1,200 loan right now. You want to come bumbo clot pay it for me? Me have a loan out there right now for $1,200. Yes. You want to come and pay it for me? You want to come? Me have a loan right now for pay. $1,200. You want to come and pay it for me? Uh-huh. You want to come? Me have a loan for $1 million blood clot dollar. You want to come pay it? You want to come pay it? Me have a loan for $500. You want to come pay it? And me have a loan coming back next month for me rent. You want to come pay it? Me have light bill. You want to come pay it? Me have telephone bill. You want to come pay it? Next month, me have the 15th next month. Me have a loan for $238. That is a loan because I carry insurance. Because if me don't pay it, then going to cut off my Ross insurance. Me can't drive a car. Do you want to come and pay the motherfucker? You want to come and pay it? You want to come and pay it? You want to come and pay it? So how the loan that me have out there, wanna come and pay it? Me have one net a loan out there for $2,000. You want to come and pay it? Me have one loan out there for $500, $250. Do you want to come and pay that Ross cloth? Me have a whole heap of loan. Maybe over 10,000, maybe 20, 30. You want to come and pay those Ross? Come pay it. Come pay it. Come. See me cash up here. See me cash up here. Pay it. Pay it. See there. Come and pay it. All the loan I have, come and pay them. See cash up here. Pay that Ross. And me want to know. Since that's me talk, how much loan me have. Wanna come tell me